Axel Inigo, Lawrence Victoria, Warren Bonifacio, Don Reverente, AJ Coronel.
You get a hold of that play of Spot. They're currently number 7 right now, but based on the team
Sa
stat,
coffee shop sa
Talaga?
Caloocan.
Oo
Hindi
nga
man
eh.
lang ako tinreat ng ano. Coronel to the cutting, Inigo for 2.
and that's where Pasay step. And even without those star-studded names in their roster, as long as they stay true,
They mag-take charge. Inigo will fire. That's good.
arrows are out early here. But ang problema lang siguro has been the impact that he has been able to make.
And I think it's more of the efficiency as well, Avi, as we take a look at this three-point shot brought to you by Extreme One-Stop Shop Appliances, because, you know, against Bacolod, shot
Rebound.
Bonifacio against Tolentino. Nice fake. Labas kay Lawrence Victoria. 3 on the way. Yes!
You play good defense on Warren Bonifacio.
Wico. Gusto bumawi. No go. Inigo. Two-man game. Bonifacio. Jumper is good.
That's been so deadly here. But
Here come the heat waves. Mabulak with a jumper. That's good.
that's what you want if you're Pangasinan. You know, from a guy that was virtually unknown in the college scene. Hindi ko nga maalala na naglaro pala siya para sa Mapua eh.
Well, he was, gets it to Bonifacio. Mabulak playing the passing lane, and he'll go all the way for ni Jasper Salenga ang bola against Montanilla. Salenga shoots over. Coronel, the putback is good. 12. Mina thought about it. Maguliano. Mina gets it back. Atake. Binigay kay Maguliano sa ilalim. Nice fake and finish.
With intention.
Hilario, what a drive. Montanilla. Maguliano gets the bucket plus to inbound. Salenga. There's a double team. Atake. Tabi! That will count.
Wow. Incredible play.
Of the MPBL. Basta ending, game ends.
Especially if they lose this game, talking about Pangasinan. Because currently at the...
Miles Canial picked up from Bacolod. Canial. Very awkward on that shot. Pero 2 points is what matters.
big guy who is as long and as tall almost as Warren Bonifacio to be on the floor and just provide, you know, quality minutes, maybe a 5 to 7 minute stretch habang when the clock is winding down with the role that he's been given here with Pangasinan. But what a move right there. Maguliano more at the top rather than at block.
This play of the game is brought to you by Suzuki. Beautiful hang time move.
Tsaka kailangan makulit kasi depensa.
Oh, Salenga with the steal. Salenga gets the 2 points.
Oh, we hope
Found his way back here. Found his way here in the MPBL. Victoria with the Hesse and the finish. Almost 7 minutes, but the floater para kay Ralph Robin is in. Presenting our Suzuki muscular and sporty fan of the game, just like the Avenis. Do more and achieve more with the muscular and sporty scooter from Suzuki, the Avenis. Oras na para magmotor. Victoria Bonifacio with a jumper. That's good.
Such a deadly combo on top, whether it's...
That's not the most comfortable shot para kay Warren Bonifacio. As
taking those perimeter jumpers or a shot beyond the arc instead of those leaners near the basket. As Axel Inigo adds
2 on 4. Good job here by the Voyagers getting back in transition. Calagio. That's a 3. Wala. Inside. Wico finally scores.
That's in terms of his speed, but the intensity underneath and the ability to get those offensive rebounds. Still one of the best rebounding guards here in the league.
Reverente knocks down the 3.
With the same mold as he is, because he set the tone para sa mga player na yun. It's
Victoria. will attack.
That's a push.
Lawrence Victoria, 2 points.
Lousy foul coming from Hesit Gabo.
Mina for 3. No. Melencio with the offensive rebound. He'll take a shot and knock it down. Right now, it's the home team, Pasay Voyagers, ahead by 3. Nice pass inside. Oh, wow.
Also by Hesit Gabo.
Ganda ng pasa na yun. Parehong point.
Pasay players into spots where they're not familiar with.
Reverente will beat the shot clock with that scoop. Misses on the drive. Maguliano. The kick out to Mina. All day to shoot. And he knocks it down.
To 2 or 3 at this point of the game. He's done a good job of controlling his fouls.
Bonifacio. To Coronel. Back to Warren Bonifacio. 3. Yes!
Carried the fight for them and made sure na di sila malalayuan.
Inigo. Corner 3.
Nga talaga at nila Mais Canal is to make sure na hindi mawala yung abante na yun.
11 points para kay Inigo. Cosejo leans in.
That's a guy who has been opportunities to score inside the paint rather than settling for outside shots.
Victoria for 3.
Hindi sila pwede makipagsabayan dito sa Pasay.
Kanina.
Asawa ba yun ni Mayor M?
Yeah. Representative muna ng first family ng Pasay, and always a great game in the fourth quarter for sure. But Ralph Robin knocks down the 3. That's
Season.
Salenga will drive. There's a double team. The fadeaway, wala. Rebound ni Coronel. Labas kay Manalang. Thought about it. Balik kay Salenga. 3 yan. Pasok yan!
Very physical.
Manalang quickly to Victoria. Spins away from the defense. Lawrence, wala. Aguirre for the stick back. That's the third quarter score is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner.
Dito daw sa game na to, paglabas na lang ng Cuneta na lang daw sila ulit magiging tropa sa Delson Javi.
Maraming salamat.
Iko eh.
Oo nga eh.
Wala na siya magagawa doon. That was excellent defense but good responses are on the floor para dito kay Coach Marlon Martin. Is he gonna let this lineup play out until the...
Bonifacio banks it in for 2. 6 nearly made that shot. Cosejo leading the break. Nat is kalamangan nila. Nababa na sa 2. Inigo. Fake 3. Good.
Oh, what a big shot. My goodness. For him to showcase his talent and to show the whole country, the whole world that there is more to him than what he was in the...
Won't go. Maguliano with the rebound. Pangasinan on the run. Robin. Bounce pass to Maguliano for 2. Pangasinan. Mina for the tie. Wala. Mabulak. Offensive rebound. 2 points.
The foul was nullified and so it was a jump ball situation.
Bonifacio against Maguliano. 9 of 12 ang Pangasinan dito sa fourth quarter. 3 of 11 ang Pasay. Make that 4 of 12. Inigo. Victoria. Thought about it. Atake si Lawrence. The kick out to Inigo. That's a 3. Good! Possibility, Javi.
Definitely. You know, with the way things have been happening, especially in the northern division.
2 for 2. No? Hindi.
The buzzer just sounded. No paddle up.
Victoria. 2 seconds. Inigo. Muntik pa. Rebound secured by Salenga. 2 points.
And that's the story.
They were tough, they were durable, and they were there up until the end. Itong Pasay Voyagers in 6 stronger teams in the north. 83-75.